Yeah, it's Keith. I'm still in Hong Kong, talking about the longevity of inverters. How long they'll last, and what's likely to fail on them. Well, probably the biggest single cause of failure is these things, which are called electrolytic capacitors. Some people just refer them as an ECAP. Electrolytic capacitor is actually a capacitor, which is a device that stores and releases electricity many times a second. A little bit like a battery. It's fully charged, fully discharged, and it's used for smoothing out the power. They're absolutely essential, and things that fail, used to on LED lighting, it was the ECAPs that would fail on the LED lighting, because when capacitors get hot, they get too hot, the chemical dielectric inside it can dry out, and it can cause the plates to touch. If the plates touch, bang, end of the capacitor, and it's probably the inverter has then got a serious problem. So it's very important to keep these things cool, and that's why we often use internal fans and to keep the capacitors. There's no absolute magic in it. People say, oh yeah, but we don't need to use fans. We can use things. I tell you, look at the temperature. They will run, but maybe 2, 3, 4 years down the road, that's where you can get a failure if you don't keep them cool. It's really, really important. So make sure whatever inverter you use, make sure it's got good cooling on the capacitors, on the ECAP. That's important.